Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Vicksburg, MS. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located off Interstate 20, this hotel features a seasonal outdoor pool and laundry facilities. Vicksburg National Military Park is opposite the hotel. Free Wi-Fi is provided. A TV with cable channels is offered. Some rooms have a microwave and a small refrigerator. Coffee is provided. A 24-hour reception is available to the guests of Motel 6-Vicksburg. The Vicksburg's historic city center is located 1.9 miles away. The Old Courthouse Museum is 5 minutes drive from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.